If you're looking for a conveniently located hotel in the heart of Lancaster, the Fairfield Inn and Suites by Marriott is what you're looking for. Right here, this is entering the lobby. You can see they give you access to trolleys to bring your luggage in, as well as a nice seating area to the right of the door. There also is an ATM and a seasonal fireplace located here. Just past that is the business center, which allows you to have access to a computer, a printer, things of that nature, which is enough to get your basic computer needs if you don't bring a laptop. Right across is the breakfast area as well as the dining location. Here you can see when I was checking this out, it was well after breakfast time, but you could see the times right there. They do have a decent spread for a continental breakfast. As you can see, imagine that all filled with food. To the left, here is the seating, and right in the seating area is the coffee/tea bar, which is open all the time. Here you see more of the large seating area, and to the left is actually the concierge reception area. As we walk down the main hallway, I pan back so you actually get an idea of what the reception area looks like. We were here during Halloween, so it was decked out for Halloween. There to the left, you saw the elevators, but we're going to jump back so that we can finish walking through the dining section. I will be jumping around a little bit as I was trying to avoid people, so the shots are actually done through multiple days, so you might notice the weather change in the background. Here's the breakfast area from another view, and then more of the exterior through the windows. Like I said, there's a lot of room for eating here, so don't worry if you've got large crowds. Coming to the exit at the front of the hotel, the doors were a little weird in that one opened on the right and then the next one opened on the left. Kind of confused me a little bit. Here you can see it's kind of a dreary day. But to the left, you could see the Cartoon Network Hotel as well as 30. Here you can see an exterior seating area. Not a lot of people were here eating or doing anything when I last visited because, well, as you can see, it was rather wet. But there you go. Kind of gives you an idea of how close the hotel is to the road. Coming back inside, this is the view from the coffee area back towards the reception. There's a little food area over there to the left if you need munchies sometime in the night. Here, we're coming back down that hallway so that we can look at the gym, the workout area. It was surprisingly big for the hotel. I realistically wasn't expecting too much, but here you can see you've got sanitation station, towels, couple treadmills, couple ellipticals, large mirror. There are some free weights that you'll see when we circle back the other way. Had a TV going in there all the time. There are those free weights I was mentioning before. You can see varying sizes and weights. And a bench to lift them. I'm not going to lie, not a super gym rat myself. There is the large mirror, as I mentioned before. You kind of see me as I'm walking through here. Each of the ellipticals and treadmills had a TV on them, so that was kind of interesting. Hadn't seen that before. We're going to make our way back out this door and head down the hall. After exiting, you'll see the elevators to your left, as well as a pamphlet area where you can grab something and figure out what you might want to do for the day. Coming down the hallway directly past the gym, you actually have two bathrooms that you can utilize, but this is your swimming pool area. You can see it's not a terribly large swimming pool. It's not very deep either, but you get a good idea of, hey, it's well maintained, it's inside, it's warm. So if I wanted to on this very rainy day, I could have come in here and actually utilized the pool. Here you can see the rules for the pool area, where the pool is located at the front of the hotel. And then you can see the maximum depth there is just shy of 4 feet. So you'll be perfectly fine. And we're just going to show the other seating area, which you can access from the pool right there. And again, you can see the Cartoon Network Hotel in the background. And we're just going to take a walk down here and show you everything that you have access to with the indoor pool. And I was mistaken. It was 5 feet as I should have guessed. But there you go. It's a decent sized pool for being an indoor pool. It's on the smaller side, but that's perfectly fine. Right here is actually a place where you can shower off to get the chlorine off of you before actually heading out or back to your room. I like the addition. I don't see that often at indoor pools. I have seen them at outdoor pools. So figured I would show you that so you get an idea of what it was. Coming back out in the hallway, just past the swimming pool, you've got laundry facilities right on the first floor, easily accessible. And then we're going to walk down the corridor here where I show you other little rooms that you have access to. But if we continue walking straight through these doors, this is yet another way to exit the building. This again is going to throw you right on to 30. So you can see again how close you are to it. You saw that semi truck going by. Little ice maker over there on the corner.
So, if you're looking for a hotel that's walking distance from Dutch Wonderland, or if Dutch Wonderland isn't your thing, the Tanger Outlets, then this is a hotel that is centrally located, and I would strongly recommend the Fairfield Inn and Suites Marriott Lancaster.